Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza. Shouldn't have been a challenge. And I am unboxing our My Mani box for this month. Well, it's actually for May, but you know I get them a little bit late so that I can take my time playing with them, I think. I'm gonna go into this. I'm gonna just jump into this because I want to tell you about something else. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The likes and the comments really help me out. And you'll definitely want to subscribe. I do intermittent giveaways and things. And I like to think we just have a lot of fun. I'm announcing, I am going to do a Bridgerton Nails video, tutorial, blah, blah, blah. I know that I haven't had the opportunity in recent months, maybe even a year, to a lot of you guys like that I have trivia to share when I'm working on certain plates. This will absolutely be the case with the Regency. I have been obsessed with the Regency, the English Regency, period, ever since I was in middle school. But that's not really a big deal because I'm obsessed with a lot of things. I just really like to read and do crafts and make things. All right, so here we go. Mani box, May 2024, Mermaid Magic. So I kind of feel that mermaids for me have kind of run their course. This is how I also feel about zombies. I hope nobody is heartbroken over that. And then I do always like that they tell you what is inside. However, we have no stamping plate numbers, so I can't tell you if I have these plates or not. We just have to go right into it. And we've got a full size hit the bottle polish, so you know, well, you're about to know, that is my very favorite thing. Well, one of them. I can't, you know, just sort of say what is number one, because number one is probably chocolate. I mean, let's just say it. Chocolate. Ooh, chocolate with coffee. Mocha cheesecake. Jamocha almond fudge scoops on top of a Jamocha cheesecake. Okay, I'm just making myself hungry. Okay, these are awesome. The last one of these I loved. I put in a very special place, but then I dropped it and it broke into a million pieces. So I'm really excited to have this one. This one says Mermaid Magic, so I'm gonna assume that it is, what's the word? I don't know. I'm going to put something down for it to stick to. I don't really know whether this one needs something for it to stick to, but just in case. All right. So let's get into this. These are really lovely baggies. I've mentioned this before, but I do like them. All right. And then it comes with the little doe foot applicator. And I don't know if I'm giving this away yet or not, but would you guys mind if I included it in my giveaway if I swatched it once for the video and then not again? Just let me know. I know it's supposed to be virgin products that are in the giveaways, but there are plenty of things that I have no use for, but I really need to show you what they do. And often if I have no use for something, it's because I have 60 of its twins. Alright, really exciting here. Sailor 02. No, that is a 3 and 12. Alright, so let's go up here and show you. No, I do not have this one. This is actually really cool. Lots of different patterns here. Some scallop shells. I mean, yes, this has to do with the seafaring life, but some of these you could just sort of use in general. Like the Compass Rose one is really pretty. I mean, they're all kind of neat. And this looks like this is this is the short side plate, so this is not the long version. So I think I would be sad about this one too. Yeah, I have no use for this. these are just too short for the nail tips that I use on a regular basis. So it means they're both going in the giveaway, but it does give me a kind of a dilemma about the giveaway. So I want to do a demo for you, but I mean, I have lots of the Sailor plates. I can keep these aside and find something similar, and I will try to do that before I get these out. So all right, so I'm going to put those aside, and now we are going to get to, I love this Moroccan tile kind of print. Makes me very happy. Let's see what we've got. All right. We have, you can always tell it's at the bottle, and you have packages that are ribbed for her pleasure, or his, anybody, or them. Anybody can stamp nails. This is a new color to me. This is Turquatic. Lots of shimmer here. This is fabulous. Okay, I'm gonna test this out for you. Finally, something that I can test. Whoopee. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the floor. Love doing that. Oh, before I try that out, I'm gonna see if it matters. You know what that sound is if you're a regular. I just bumped my head on the light, on the ring light. Okay, I am sure. Come on. Do I need to turn this off while I figure this out? No, it did go. It took me a couple times to make it go, but it did go eventually with the turning and the stuff. All right, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna focus in. And then I'm going to do the same thing next to it where there is no polish. Looks like it's an even smoother. So this does not depend on stickiness to stick, to stay put where it is. It does not depend on stickiness. And I do have a non-used doe foot that I can put in there if you guys don't mind if I put this in the giveaway. Now we have a white, kind of a pink iridescence in some angles of the light, and then it catches the green, which is really fabulous. There we go. That's lovely. Okay. So I've been chatting it for a while. I'm going to put these things away. Nope, I lied. I am your singing telegram. Bang. That clue is on, well, what if mounts to cable with our Samsung TV, we get free cable. It's not that great, but yesterday Clue was on. So like old school cable. John came downstairs and we both watched Clue, and gosh, is that pretty. And ever since my sisters and I were kids, probably too young to watch that movie, whenever that scene goes, like they open the door and she goes, I am your singing telegram. Bang! I have no idea why we keep singing that to each other in adulthood. I don't, but we do. Anyway, Clue is the best. What's your favorite quote, if you are interested? Mine is Madeline Kahn's, like, flames on the side of my face, heaving, breathing. And she just goes on way too long. Kind of like me. Topic change, but not really. Hit the bottle. Michelle is the best. And she sent me a bunch of plates. A couple of them I'm going to give away because I have them. But I will do videos for all of them. And this one is the medieval one, and I worked with her very closely on this one. I don't know if she made it because of me. I've seen her do a mani like this before. We had shared things like this back and forth because I had done something medieval way back 7 or 8 years ago when we first started chatting. And I said, hey, I used to be a medieval reenactor, and I love reading old manuscripts, and I was wondering if you knew about marginalia and if you knew about heraldry and blah, 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 blah. So there's everything on, I mean, literally everything on this medieval plate. This is her newest plate, and I don't know what is on there that I shared. I know the ermine, that is a heraldry pattern that is on my coat of arms because I was in the SCA, and I have an SCA coat of arms, and that is called ermine. I think it's a very pretty little thing. Anyway, I am just so excited about this plate that my heart is actually beating really fast right now. I just played with my mic. Sorry if that made a sound. Anyway, I just wanted to tell everybody the good news. So look how much extra work I've given myself. I'm trying to run a D&D campaign for the first time ever. I'm also doing Bridgerton nails. I have to do a demo for this box, and then something, and then the world. I guess this is me conquering the world. Not really. I'm very tired. I only went to 3 places today. I'm so tired, so I'm going to go away. I hope you enjoyed my little video, and thank you so much for watching and for subscribing if you did so, and liking and commenting, and you know how it goes. I do not have, oh, I do have a joke. I do have a joke. Wait. Nope. I'm going to keep that in just because it's so lame and so me. Anyway, on my birthday, I did get to meet up with a couple of fellow nail artists, and Wendy has a Twitch, and Ashley has a YouTube. She's simply with an S-E, nailing it. Anyway, we got to meet, and I have a picture of all of us. So pretty cool. But anyway, have an awesome day. Do something wonderful for yourself. Oil those cuticles, or that cuticle area. And I'll see you later. Have a good one.